Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Goodnotes for work and meetings. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Goodnotes application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Goodnotes, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the documents we have created. And now we can get started taking a look how to use Goodnotes. Here at the bottom of the screen, we have the sections we can access, such as the documents, favorites, and we have the plus button that we're going to be using for creating new folders, documents, notebooks, and so on. This is the main option we have. So Goodnotes is highly effective, a versatile tool for professional 9-to-5 work environments. So you can use it to streamline meetings, projects, and daily tasks by creating dedicated notebooks for projects using the Goodnotes AI, which you can use to record and summarize, and then we can also use the lesson tool for organizing notes. So to get started creating a notebook, you're going to click the notebook option right here. Once you click the plus sign, and get started creating your new notebook. Once you've created it, it's going to appear right here on the main page that you can open up. From here you can get started implementing your notes. You're going to go ahead and be able to implement any slides you're using and so on. All of that is going to be doable right here, and that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.